Learn about working with the Azure CLI using macOS in this edition of Azure Tips and Tricks. You can easily install the Azure CLI version 2.0 on macOS by using Homebrew. So if I do something like brew update, this will allow me to update my Homebrew cache. Next, I'll do brew install Azure-CLI. Now the command returns letting me know that I already have a version of the CLI installed. But if instead I want to upgrade it, I can do brew upgrade Azure CLI. And now Homebrew is going to go through its process of pulling down the new bits and making sure that it's all set up for me here on my machine. Now that that's complete, I should be able to just type the AZ command, and I can see the various Azure commands that are available for me to use. Now, let's say I wanted to do something with Azure App Service. I could type App Service, plan, and let's say I wanted to list them. Now it's saying, credentials have expired due to inactivity. Please run AZ login. So the first time that you're going to run this command, you're going to need to log in so it knows what account it's going to use. Now, that's lost your browser for me. I'm going to select my account that I want to use. And it says, you've logged into Microsoft Azure. So let's run app service plan list. And now the CLI has returned some information to me about some of the various app service plans that I have available. What if I wanted to change this output really quickly and see it in a table instead of just JSON? I could do -O, and now you can see now it's formatted in terms of a table. There are a lot more commands that are available for you via the Azure CLI that will allow you to work with your resources inside of Microsoft Azure. But that's how easy it is for you to get started with the Azure CLI on your Mac OS X machine.